Hello guys, I am Arvind and welcome to this session. And in this session, we are going to discuss memory map of C programming. So let's get started. A compiled C program creates and uses four logically distinct blocks of memory. First block is of program code, second block is for global variables, and third block is for heap, and the last block is for stack. Now guys, let's go ahead and we'll discuss one by one. The first block is the memory that actually holds the program's executable code. Now moving forward guys, the next block is memory where global variables are stored. Now moving forward guys, the remaining two blocks are the stack and the heap. The heap is a region of free memory that your program can use via dynamic memory allocation functions just like calloc, malloc and realloc. Now moving forward guys, the stack is used for many things while program executes, and it actually holds the return addresses of function calls, arguments to functions and local variables. It also saves the current state of the CPU. So I hope it is clear to you guys. Thank you so much guys for watching this video. Just in case you liked it, do not forget to like and subscribe. I will see you then in the next video.